Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create rewind effect in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, I'm going to use CapCut PC and I have already created a project on my CapCut PC application. I'm going to create rewind effect for this video. Okay, this is the original video guys, so let me show you. And I'm going to speed up this video first. Go to the speed and I'm going to speed up this video until the duration turn into 3 seconds. Okay, around 3 seconds. And I'm going to reverse this video. Click on the video and then select the reverse menu. And now the video is being reversed. And I'm going to play it guys. Okay, and I think I need to make it faster. For the speed, actually it's up to you guys. It depends on your needs. Okay, I'm going to make it faster. Alright, and then I'm going to add the rewind overlay. For the overlay, I have already downloaded from the internet, just like this. And I'm going to cut the overlay. Okay, and I'm going to blend it with my first video. So we can go to the blend menu and I'm going to choose overlay. Okay, like this guys. And I'm going to go to the effect and we can search the glitch effect. Okay, and I'm going to use the free effect, this one. Add the effect to your video, like this. If you have CapCut Pro, you can choose the snow glitch. It looks better. But if you don't have CapCut Pro, you can choose the glitch effect. And let me show you the final result. Okay, done guys. Okay guys, and that's how you can create rewind effect using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.